In this video today, I'm going to practically show you step-by-step process on how you can start your data reselling business right here in Nigeria and start making money immediately. This is a business that you can actually start from your mobile phone, and you can start with a capital of as little as 5,000 naira or even less from anywhere you are right here in Nigeria. And it doesn't matter if you have no idea about data reselling business before now. If you stick around till the end, I'm going to show you practically the best website that will give you the best rate so that you can make more money. And I'm not stopping at that. I'll also show you how you can market your data business and other things you can do to add to your data reselling business so that you can even make much more money. So if this is what will interest you, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So before we go into practical aspect of this video, what is VTU data reselling type of business? So the word VTU stands for virtual top-up, meaning you topping up somebody's credit, recharge card, or topping up somebody's data, or topping up somebody's NEPA bill, paying somebody's TV bill, and all that. So data reselling type of business is a form of business in which an individual buys data in bulk in order to resell it to consumers in smaller quantities. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. Alright, you are welcome to the practical aspect of this video. So the website that we are going to be using is called VTU Empire, and the link is in the description of this video, and I'll also pin it in the comment section of the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to click on register. So if you click on the link, it will automatically bring you right here to sign up. So here you put your full name. Okay, you are going to put also your username, the username that you want to be using. Like right here, you put your email. Ensure you put your active email address. You input your phone number, you type in your address, and you put your referral user name. This is optional, but this is my own referral name, user, so you can use it. And then you type in your password, and this password is case sensitive. So if you are putting your password, ensure you put it very well. If you are starting with a capital letter, ensure you write it down so that when logging in, you will not have any issue. And then the next thing is you are going to click on I agree to the terms and condition. You can also click and read the terms and condition, then you click on sign up. All right, so right here I have successfully signed up. So the next thing you need to do is to click on this line, these three lines right here. So here is my username, Mopiba. That's why it's showing right here. So but here I already have 500 naira. So for you to start the business, you need to fund your account, and you can start this business with even 500 naira. Let me show you how. So for you to fund your account, you need to come here and click this fund wallet. So there are different ways you can fund your wallet. You can fund your wallet through Paystack. You can fund your wallet through Gateway, through ATM. You can do automatic bank transfer. You can use coupon all together. So let me try this fund with Paystack. I use Paystack a lot, and I so much trust Paystack. So the next thing you need to do is to put the amount. So let's say if you are loading, if you are using Paystack and you want to pay 500 naira, they will charge you 10 naira extra. All right, so you now click on continue funding. When you click on continue funding like this one, it's going to take you and ask you which of the method do you want. So you can choose to use your ATM card. You can choose to pay with bank. So I love using bank transfer. So when I click on bank transfer right here, all you need to do is to copy. If you click this right here, you see it has copied. So if you just copy this one, you now go to your app and transfer. So you now choose Wema Bank and use this bank, and you will see Paystack will come up as Paystack Payment Gateway. This is one of the method. You can also use USSD to make this payment. If I click on continue funding right here, it will take you to choose USSD. So it depends on the method you decide to use to fund your wallet, and this happens within minutes. Immediately you make the payment, you come back to click I have made payment. If you use bank transfer. Okay, but if it is USSD, whatsoever it is, you just wait, you will see it, it will reflect. It take less than 2 minutes to fund your wallet. So now that you have fund your wallet, let's assume you only have 500 naira, just like it's 500 naira that is in my bank account right here. So how do you now start the business? So let's say somebody want to buy data, and you can charge the person 500 naira for 1 gig. So what do you now do? You come right here and you can click this pricing, but let's click on buy data right now. I think I'm going to gift someone a data. Let me just check the last person that called me, or let me check my other phone. I have a missed call, so I will just gift the person. Okay, so right here I will just select network. I think this network is MTN right here. Okay, I will click on MTN. Okay, when I click on done, it will ask me, what do you want? Is it data, is it gifting, or it is for you for SME? So I will click on SME. That means small and medium enterprise. So here I will type the number. So this is very important, guys. If anybody that is sending you number, ensure you copy. Don't just type, copy and paste the number, so that you will not make any mistake. If you make any mistake, it will go to another person. Okay, so right here I'm just gifting this person. I don't know the owner of this number, but I am just gifting the person this particular one. So it's to click on this plan. So you click on this little arrow right here, and I'll scroll down right here, and I will choose. So if I'm gifting the person 500 MB now, is at 120 naira. All right. Okay, so if I'm gifting the person 1 gig, is at 240. So imagine if you are selling 1 gig for 500 naira, and you are buying it at 240. That means you are making 260 naira gain. Okay, so let me just click on this one right here, and this is for like 140 naira for like 30 days. Okay, I can just click on this bypass a number validator, then I will click on OK right here. It will not ask me, are you sure you want to buy data for this person? I will click on yes. If I click on yes, it will ask me for a pin. Okay, so as you sign up, before you add money to your wallet, it will ask you to put a pin, and you put in your pin. So I don't want to show you my pin. Okay, I don't want to show you my pin, so I'll just exit right now. And that is how to make money. That's how to buy data for someone. So remember, I also let you know from the beginning, I promise you that I will also show you other things that you can do to actually earn money from this website, from data reselling business. All right, so right here, let me go back to our dashboard so that it will take us to the home, so that you will see. So right here, if I click this one right now, okay, if I click this copy right now, it's going to take me, that means I copy my referral link. So anybody that use this link, I'll earn 100 naira. So as many of you that please use my link, I'm going to earn 100 naira. So that's another way to make money with this data reselling business. And it's not only that. If you click right here, you will see other things. You can also do utility bill. You can make payment. You can subscribe for GOTV, for DSTV, for StarTimes, for people. So even if you are a stay-home mom, okay, even if you are a stay-home mom, you can just get a little banner, paste it at your gate. You can tell, if you are living in a house that has compound that are more people, you can let them know, and I sell data. I can sell data for you. I can sell data for you at 500. I can give you 1 gig for 500 naira and all that. You can always do that. You can even put it at your gate. That's another way to market your business. With even 500 naira, you can start this business. And I also promise you that I will also show you other ways to market your business. So let's assume now that you decided that this is the business you want to go into, or you want to add as another extra stream of income. So the next thing you need to do is to just go to your status on Facebook or on Instagram or on WhatsApp. You can post it on your WhatsApp status that I sell data with the prices. So let's come right here. When you click on the pricing, it will show you the different prices. So you can now make your own price. Okay, you can now make your own price. You can just type your own price, like this one now that I show you 120. Okay, you can make it your own, you can make it 300 and all that. This is the prices I share, this is how I sell my data. You can reach out to me and all that. This is how to start. You don't have to be great to start, you have to start to be great. Don't underestimate this business. A lot of people are making a lot of money from this business if only you know what you are doing. Okay, so anything you also want to learn right here is here. You can also change your PIN, you can check your account, you can pay for NEPA bill and all that. And aside from that also, you can also join an affiliate. That is, if you have been hearing about affiliate marketing. So anything you want to go back to, you just click on these three lines and click on dashboard right here. So when you click on the dashboard, it will show, it will bring you. Okay, so right here is even showing you the an affiliate package. So there are different questions that they ask right here, so you can click on it and learn more. There's a lot that you can do with this website. If you have any question, there is a WhatsApp group. Okay, there's a WhatsApp group. I will drop the link to the WhatsApp group, or at the same time right here you can even join the WhatsApp group, and a phone number that you can always reach out to for a helpline. I'm going to also drop it in the description of this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly give me a like. It really means a lot to me. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. And right here we are at 13,500 or 700 subscribers as at time that I'm filming this video. And as you can see right here, if you have been following me closely, I have talked about vision board and all that. So right here I've already make it 100,000 subscribers. You use silver play button, and I want to be this channel to be the most follow YouTube and TikTok channel for every entrepreneur. And this is how you can help me do that, by please liking this video. You can share this information for as many as possible. You can drop a thoughtful comment, you can ask questions in the comment section. There is a phone number, there is a WhatsApp group that you can join pertaining this business. Thank you so much for trusting me. Thank you so much for signing up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.